Hi guys, it's Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 2, Lesson 4. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to make 10 when one addend is 9. So looking at this, we're going to be using this number since 9 plus 5, and we know that one of our addends is 9, and we're going to solve this. Now, we have magical questions. First one is, how many do I need to make 10? So we have to look at the bigger part. Then the second one is, do I have enough? Okay, so how many do I need to make 10? So looking at 9, which is that bigger part, how many do I need to make 10? Well, we know we can count on. We know that 9, 10. We know that 9 needs one more. And then we look at that 5. Well, do I have enough? Can 9 take 1? Yes, 5 has more than enough to give 1 away. But before we start doing that, you know that I love to give you guys steps. So let's look at these steps. First, we have to make a short 5-group drawing. Second, we have to circle to show how to make 10 to solve. Third step, we have to take 1 away from the number that is not a 9 and create a number line with 1 as the part. Then number 4, we have to create the new matching addition sentence with 10 as an addend. Step number 5, add to solve. And step number 6, we have to complete the statement. Now remember, we go one step at a time. So let's go back and look at step number 1. We have to make a short 5-group drawing. So let's look at this. So it says, we know that it's 9 plus 5. So we're going to do a short 5-group drawing. Now the way that we do a short 5-group drawing is that we actually write the bigger number, which is 9, and we draw the smaller number. Okay, now we are going to, so step number 1 is done. Now number 2, we're going to circle to show how to make 10 to solve. Well, we know that it's 9, 10, so 9 needs 1 more to make 10. So 9 needs 1 more to make 10. So I circled to show how to make 10. Step number 3, we're going to take away 1 from a number that is not 9 and create a number line with 1 as the part. So we're talking about this up here. Now we know that 9 needs 1 more to make 10. Now what I like to say is that 9 is greedy. So this is called the greedy 9. That 9 always wants to be 10. Okay, so every number really wants to be 10. So we know that that greedy 9 has to take 1 to be 10. So that 9 is going to go to 5 and say, hey, 5, can I have 1? Because I really want to be 10. So that 5 will say, okay, I'll give you 1. So that 5 is going to give 1 away. And we know that 9 is now 10. So that 9 is happy now because that is now 10. Now, 5. Well, 5 just gave 1 away. So if we had 5 and we gave 1 away or we took 1 away, we know there is 4 left. So now, put a check. Now looking at this, it says we have to create a new matching addition sentence with 10 as an addend. Well, let's see. We know that there's 10, and then how many is left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can look up here. 4. So we know that it's 10 plus 4. So check. Now we're going to add to solve. So we know that it's 10 plus 4. So what is 10 for? Well, we can always count on. We can say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Or we can know that 10 4 is 14. So check. And then we need to complete the statement. And in this case, we don't have a statement, so we're just going to complete the number sentences. So we know that 10 plus 4 is 14. And we know that 9 plus 5 also equals 14. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.